We all know the frustration of a video buffering at the worst possible moment. But when you have that file saved locally, to your device, playback is instantaneous and flawless. Today, I will show you how to save public videos, shorts, and audio directly to your device. This method requires no account registrations and no third-party software installations. To follow along, you only need an active internet connection and any modern web browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Before we begin, keep in mind that the video you wish to save must be set to public by the original uploader. Using a browser-based tool instead of a desktop application keeps your system clean, giving you direct control over your offline media library. The first step is identifying your source. Open the platform and navigate to the specific public video you want to download. This interface mockup shows a standard player. Click the highlighted Share button beneath the video, then select Copy Link. You can also copy the address directly from your browser's URL bar. For mobile users, the process is nearly identical. Tap the screen to reveal the player controls, hit the Share icon, and choose the Copy Link option from the System menu. Be sure to copy the entire address. If you miss the HTTPS prefix at the start of the URL, the downloader will not be able to identify the video location. Providing the full, unmodified web address allows the remote server to accurately pinpoint the specific media stream within the platform's database. Once you have your link, open a new browser tab and go to chatwizs.com/YouTube video download. This mockup represents the main interface. Simply right-click or long press inside the central input box and paste the link you just copied. You will notice the layout is designed for utility. There are no deceptive pop-ups or misleading action buttons meant to redirect your browser. The tool now enters a brief parsing phase. It communicates with the host servers in the background to determine which video and audio streams are currently available for that specific URL. Offloading this processing to cloud servers keeps your local resources free and ensures your device never has to handle untrusted scripts or complex installation packages. After scanning, a table categorizes your options: MP4 for video and MP3 for audio. To get the best resolution, look at the top for 1080p or 4K. Note that a 1080p original upload effectively locks out any higher options. Once you select your format, click the Download button. Your browser's native file manager will take over and begin saving the file to your hard drive. By manually selecting the bitrate and format, you can ensure the final file size fits your storage constraints without sacrificing the playback quality you need. If you only need the sound for a podcast or a music library, simply refer to the audio section of the table and select the MP3 option for a high-quality extraction. For YouTube Shorts, the process remains the same. The downloader preserves the original vertical format and saves the file without adding any external watermarks. Occasionally, a media download might unexpectedly fail. This is usually because the video has been marked as private, contains age-restricted content, or is blocked in your specific geographic region. This happens because the tool operates as an unauthenticated public viewer. It does not log into an account to bypass security or regional restrictions. While the extraction engine is highly capable, it can only retrieve data that the host platform has already made accessible to the general public. Once the download finishes, you can find the file in your device's default Downloads folder or within your mobile Files app. This animation shows how your file plays natively. Stored on your device, it plays back at full quality, even if you lose your internet connection. Always remember to use these downloaded files for personal viewing only. Do not redistribute or use this content for commercial purposes without the creator's permission. You can try the tool yourself at the link in the description. If this guide helped, let us know in the comments which feature we should cover next. By utilizing this browser-based workflow, you can build a reliable media library that remains accessible regardless of your connectivity or future changes to the platform.